Don't wait until it's too late. Many people don't realize this, but if you're over 60 and notice your legs swelling after short walks, stiffness in your knees every morning, or a strange tingling in your calves that wasn't there before, it's not just aging, it's your body trying to get your attention. By our 60s, collagen levels can drop by as much as 75%. Collagen is what keeps your joints cushioned, your blood vessels flexible, and your skin firm. When collagen fades, your legs can feel weaker, your knees may ache, and your circulation can slow down. You might even wake up with pain you didn't have the night before. The truth is, your body may simply be missing the raw materials it needs to hold itself together. Collagen isn't optional, it's essential. The good news is, you don't need expensive supplements or complicated treatments. There are 4 simple, natural foods that can help your body rebuild collagen naturally. These foods are backed by research and real results from older adults who have reduced swelling, improved balance, and regained confidence in their legs.
The first food is one that's gentle, familiar, and more powerful than most people realize: gelatin. When people ask what they can eat that's easy on the stomach but still supports joint strength, gelatin is often the answer. It's not the sugary dessert from the past, but pure, unflavored gelatin made from animal connective tissue. It's one of the most effective and gentle ways to support collagen rebuilding, especially for those with slower digestion. Gelatin is basically pre-digested collagen, so your body absorbs it easily. It's rich in 3 amino acids: glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, which make up most of the collagen in your body. Studies have shown that older adults who took gelatin daily for 8 weeks had better skin hydration, less joint stiffness, and stronger muscles. One woman in her 70s started adding a spoonful of grass-fed gelatin to her morning tea, and within a few weeks, she could walk down her driveway without needing to stop and rest. To get the best results, enjoy gelatin warm and on an empty stomach so it absorbs easily. You can stir it into tea, bone broth, or warm lemon water. Just make sure to use pure, unflavored gelatin, not the sweetened kind. Used regularly, it can gently strengthen joints, reduce swelling, and help your body repair from within.
Next is a food that was once treasured for healing, but somehow forgotten: bone marrow. Years ago, marrow was given to those who needed strength or recovery. Today we know why. Bone marrow is packed with collagen, hyaluronic acid, and nutrients that nourish joints, muscles, and connective tissue. It works on 2 levels. Type 1 collagen restores strength and flexibility to skin, tendons, and ligaments, important for balance and movement. Type 2 collagen cushions your joints and protects the cartilage in your knees, hips, and ankles. In studies, seniors who consumed marrow-rich bone broth several times a week noticed less swelling, improved joint flexibility, and better overall mobility in just a few weeks. You can roast bone mones at a low temperature until the inside turns soft and golden. Then scoop it out and spread it on toast or add it to soups. Or make a nourishing bone broth by simmering marrow bones for 12 to 24 hours with water and a splash of apple cider vinegar. It's simple, comforting, and deeply restorative. Bone marrow works slowly but steadily to improve joint comfort, skin firmness, and circulation.
Now let's talk about liver, a food that has been misunderstood for too long. Once praised for its healing power, it somehow became something people avoided. But liver is one of nature's most complete collagen-supporting foods. While gelatin and marrow provide collagen itself, liver gives your body the nutrients it needs to build it: vitamin A, copper, zinc, and glycine. Think of collagen like a brick wall. Gelatin gives you the bricks, but liver provides the cement and the tools to build it properly. Research shows that seniors who eat liver just once a week have stronger skin, better collagen activity, and less swelling in the joints. One woman in her mid-70s started adding just a spoonful of blended liver into her stew once a week, And within 2 months, her skin was firmer and the swelling around her knees had gone down. You don't need to eat much. Just 1 or 2 ounces a week is enough. Try mixing a little into ground meat or make a small batch of liver pâté and spread it on toast with lemon juice. Pairing liver with foods rich in vitamin C makes it even more effective. If your skin feels thin, your joints ache, or you bruise easily, a small weekly serving of liver can make a real difference over time.
Next is one of the oldest healing foods in the world, bone broth. Long before supplements and powders, there was a pot of soup simmering on the stove. Bone broth is one of the richest natural sources of collagen, glucosamine, chondroitin, and hyaluronic acid. These compounds help hydrate and protect the connective tissue that supports your joints, blood vessels, and skin. In a study involving adults over 60, those who drank a cup of bone broth daily for 8 weeks saw stronger cartilage, firmer skin, and fewer leg cramps. Some even showed signs of cartilage repair on scans. One man in his 70s started adding half a cup of broth to his breakfast each morning. Within a few weeks, the stiffness in his ankles faded and he could walk farther without pain. To make bone broth, use bones with joints or cartilage, such as chicken backs or beef knuckles. Simmer them slowly for 18 to 24 hours with a splash of apple cider vinegar. When the broth cools and becomes slightly gel-like, that's when you know it's rich in collagen. Sip it warm on an empty stomach or use it as a base for soups. Avoid store-bought versions that are watered down or filled with preservatives. They often lack real collagen. Now that you know the 4 collagen rebuilding foods, gelatin, bone marrow, liver, and bone broth, let's talk about how to bring them into your day. You don't need to change your whole diet. Just start small. Sip half a cup of bone broth in the morning before breakfast. Add a spoonful of gelatin to warm tea or coffee a few times a week. Try marrow on toast once or twice a week and include a little liver in your meals every now and then. It's not about perfection, it's about consistency. Give your body the right support regularly and it will respond. Within a few weeks, you may notice less stiffness, lighter legs, and stronger steps. Healing at this stage of life doesn't happen all at once. It happens gently, one small choice at a time. And here's the most important message. You are not broken. You are rebuilding. Aging doesn't mean losing strength. It means learning how to give your body what it needs to feel alive again. Collagen loss can affect your comfort and confidence, but you can restore both through simple, nourishing foods that work naturally with your body. Gelatin for easy repair, marrow for deep joint support, liver for rebuilding, and bone broth for overall restoration. You don't need to do everything perfectly. Just begin. Every sip, every spoonful, every simple meal adds up. Over time, you'll notice your knees feel stronger, your legs more stable, and your steps lighter. You're not stuck in decline. You're on your way back to strength, comfort, and confidence.